Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. I'm bringing you a price prediction video on Blendr. How high can it go? You know, I did one of these a while back, bringing you another one because since the last sort of 2 months, since we saw a massive fall in Blendr, you know, now it's starting to go up. I managed to catch Blendr at the lowest price of a 13 million market cap. So I want to talk about it. You know, if it's sounding interesting, drop the like. Let me show you this real quick. There's lots I want to talk about in this one to do with Blendr. This was the buy alert that I had, well, funny enough, 19 hours ago. That was the one that we had before the massive pump at the time of recording this video. 19 hours ago, I did it was on a 13 million market cap. It was 32 cents. Right now, at the time of recording this video, Blendr's sitting at about 57. Let me just refresh it. About 57 cents. Hold on. There you go. 56, 57 cents. And I think it's not going to stop. I think we've seen the bottom. I think we're going to start to see a massive rise up. So now I've edited it because the last time I think this said 16 million. Now it's 13. This gives us a better perspective of where I believe Blendr can go, what kind of multipliers we can see. I think we're going to see massive multipliers for this. Look, if it was to do a 5x right now from a 13 million market cap, which was the lowest I was able to get, it goes right here. Boop. Oh, there you go. 5x puts it at 65 million market cap. I think it's doable. Right now, Render, I've put Render on here. Look, let's compare it because, you know, they're similar. 6.5 million. I think that it can go up there. So a 10x from now puts it at 130 million market cap. A 15x will put it at 195 million market cap. Very doable. I see this going way higher. 20x return will be a 260 million market cap for Blendr. When it does a 50x, I'm talking 650 million. Let me zoom in. Still very doable. We saw, like I said, when it came to some AI agent projects, which is all AI, Virtual's protocol went up to like 400 and something, almost 500. I think it did 500 million, didn't it? So it shows that in the hype cycle where loads of new people are coming in, loads of big money's coming in and people want to just buy the hottest AI stuff, this is where you start to see market caps like this for Blendr. At least I believe so. At that point, patrons, we would have done a 50x return on our money because that's where it's sitting. Can we 100x our money with Blendr from this buy alert that I literally made less than like 24 hours ago from a 13 million market cap? And shout out to the patrons that bought that. If you don't want to miss out and you want to catch these buy alerts, you're welcome to become a patron. Like I said, this was literally 19 hours ago, 32 cents. It just shot up quick from there today. It moves fast. You're welcome to do so. The link is in the info section. Click it, show you real quick. Come over. I got a bunch of different tiers, 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend the exclusive VIP partner tier, which is this one here, because it unlocks all the posts you'll see when I'm buying, selling, staking, I don't know, AI in, gaming, whatever I'm doing, you'll see it right here. And if you can't afford it, the next tier above, this CEO tier, will give you access to my VIP Telegram group. You're super alerted to projects. There's investors in there that are smart. There's millionaires in the group. It's a whale group. You're mingling with serious people, serious investors that understand trends, that know how to make money in this space. Highly recommend you check it out if you can afford it, right? If you want to be part of that powerful network. So, yeah, and they're catching things early all the time. So let's just go back to this. And I'm going to tell you why I think it can really come up to these, 1.3 billion, 250x return. I think Blendr can do it. I'm talking $3.2 billion. I think Blendr could reach this. That would have been a 250x return from our lows if other people, patrons, bought when I did. 3.2 billion. Or anywhere between the 1.3 billion and 3.2. Anywhere near here is where I think Blendr is going to sit. And why? Because when you think about the money that's going to be coming into AI just by 2030 alone, it's expected to be $826 billion that will flood in. And this doesn't even include the crypto space, the money flow in crypto. This is just money overall in your general stocks. At least that's what I believe, like in tech giants like Nvidia. And look at this. Forbes dropped this post on the Forbes website saying, here's why Nvidia, is it Nvidia or Nvidia? I call it Nvidia. I said Nvidia. Nvidia stock will reach, hold on, my words. Too excited. It will reach $10 trillion in market cap by 2030. That's a big leap. That's like an extra 3x from where it went at its all-time highs. Because this says Nvidia has a market cap of that's a lot of money. $3 trillion. And it's expected to go to 10 trillion. If you guys have a laptop, you always see a little green sticker saying Nvidia, because they offer GPU graphics cards that help us process things and do things more easier. And this CUDA, you usually see it when you're using like, I don't know, editing software like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Gives you the option to click on CUDA, which means it's going to use your GPU graphics card instead of the Intel card, the CPU. And it's a powerful thing because it does speed up things. Like if I'm rendering a video that's like a 40-50 minute video, if I didn't have this GPU power, it would probably take me hours on end. But with the GPU power, like I just rendered a video, edited a video right now, rendered it. It took me like, what, 10 minutes? No, less than that. 2 minutes? 2 to 3 minutes. I got a powerful computer. But if I'm doing bigger, long videos, like maybe like a 40-50 minute video, then it's like 8 to 10 minutes. But it's fast. It's not. I'm not sitting there for hours on end. Might even be quicker. Maybe 6 to 7 minutes. But because, you know, as time goes on, GPU is going to get bigger and bigger. And this is where the decentralization will kick in. Because when you can have an unlimited amount of source, and it's cheaper as well. Like right now, if you want to buy a graphics card, the high-end 4090, it's going to cost a lot of money. Especially to be able to use. Whereas Blendr, just, you know, you can use that power a lot more cheaper. It's extremely cheap. So I see why people will favor to use this stuff. So yeah, look, take a look at this. 250x would be a 3.2 billion. I think it can go anywhere between that. I think it can steal a huge chunk of the money that's going to come in on AI. Was this helpful to you? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I told you I need to bring some videos on Blendr because Blender's price has been moving up. And at the time recording this video, you know, maybe it's gone up since then. I don't know. Maybe it's fallen. We're going to see. But I think the only way is up. The only way is up. Baby, trust me, I promise you, I'm normal. Look, take a look at this again. I'm going to show you this chart. I think this is going to play out. I can see a W-shaped pattern. I think it's going to play out. I think we're going to see about almost a $2 price for Blendr in the next few weeks, maybe a couple of weeks, month. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. The only way is up. Cheers.
Never be defeated.